Hi, this is Rich with PicoPros.com. We have a really special micro projector review for you. This is the AAXA Technologies LED Showtime 3D micro projector. It's a projector capable of doing 1080p. It's 3D ready, so you can hook up a 3D Blu-ray player or any other 3D device to this projector. And if you have the glasses, they're not included with the projector, but if you do have 3D glasses and a 3D device that you can hook up to the projector, you're 3D ready. So that is really special. It's the first 3D projector that we're doing here on Pico Pros, and I'm going to do a little bit of an overview, show you some of the inputs, some of the hardware, and then we'll do a couple of videos on ambient rooms display performance and also darkroom display performance. So let's get right into it. So this is just a quick little overview. So here it is, the AAXA Technologies LED based engine Showtime 3D projector. It's a very small, I'd have to say probably I think it's 7 by 6 inches. We'll put the exact dimensions on the website in the article, but here it is. Glossy black finish. It's a really nice finish. It's very professional. Up on the top of the projector here, there's nothing on it except on the left hand side you have some buttons. Let's zoom in there. Okay, so here we are. On the bottom left, on the top, we have the DLP logo. It's Texas Instruments engine. We have some navigation buttons and an OK. It's very straightforward. That's just used for navigation through the menus. We have a back button, again that's used for navigating through the menus, and then we have a little gear icon that's for your settings. You can change your picture quality, sound settings. There is some onboard sound with this. Then you also have your power button. So nothing too crazy there. LED projector, 20,000 hour light source, so this is going to last you a fairly long time. Right here we have a focus wheel. It's very smooth. So I mean, everything is pretty tight. It's a hard plastic. These buttons are a hard plastic. It's glossy, so you might recognize, or you might be able to pick this up in a video, but it does track some fingerprints. So maybe keep a cloth with you. But it's a nice glossy finish there. Over on the backhand side, what do we got here? Okay, so here are all of our mainly inputs. Over here we have a RCA input, so the composite yellow with the red and white audio cables. There's a connector for that. That is included. So we do have that. That does come included. So you have the red, white, and the yellow composite, and then the opposite end you do have the male cable that goes into the projector. So that's one way to connect video to this unit. We also do have another small connector here that's for output, sound output. 3.5mm audio jack, VGA input. So that's for your laptop or computer. We also have the HDMI. It's pretty standard on most micro projectors now. So a lot of things output HDMI. So anything that you have HDMI, you could connect that to this projector and get 1080p, because this is 1080p ready. A USB connection for a thumb drive. You can just hook up a thumb drive, keep it in the projector, keep your projector on and display videos, pictures if you have family over, something like that. You could have this running in the background. Pretty nice touch. We do have a proprietary connector. I don't know what that's for exactly. I'm sure it's probably used for adapters or something like that. And then this little black box is just an IR receiver. There is a remote that comes with it. It's a really nice small remote, little clicky buttons. It works very nicely. So that takes care of the back. On the side, just some fan exhaust ports. On the opposite side of that, just some more fan exhaust ports. There is an internal fan to keep this cool. We have a power input. I'll show you what the power cord looks like in a bit. Okay, the front of the unit, nothing too crazy. More heat exhaust. And then we have the projector, engine, bulb, LED right there. So, and then there's the focus wheel again on top, and I don't know if you could catch this, but the focus wheel, you could, if you notice that it does move in and out and focuses. So on the bottom, this is a demo unit. We don't have any stickers, serial number information on it. There's a tripod mount, so that's always really nice to have. And that's about it for the hardware overview. So again, it's a very nice projector. Just going over some of the stuff in the box. You get the projector, you get the remote control, you get the RCA input adapter, and then you also have the power cord. Now the power cord is made up of two pieces. Okay, so here it is. This sort of looks like a laptop power cord. So you have the small circular thing that's going to go into the projector, large box there, and then you have your standard power plug. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so that takes care of the hardware overview. Some of the specs are that this has a max resolution of 1080p, native resolution of 1280 by 800. The contrast ratio is 2000 by 1. 20,000 hour life on the LED engine, DLP based by Texas Instruments. It's capable of doing a 160-inch diagonal image, which is giant. And we'll go into some videos where we're going to actually show you that. So really cool specs. There's onboard music media player, so you can hook up your thumb drive, stuff like that, play videos, music. It's lightweight, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds actually, and it does have 2 speakers. I haven't noticed them on the device, but it takes